Xian Xia. Eel Meat. A main dish from China. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. After cleaning the eel meat, slice it into pieces 3 cm long. Step 2. Coat the eel meat slices with water chestnut powder and saute them. Step 3. Get another pot, boil the shredded ginger, shredded chives, mashed garlic, salt, soy, gourmet powder, sugar, vinegar, pepper, sesame oil, watered starch together with some oil in a pot. CountryReports. Then put the eel meat slices into braise. Travel. After that, take it